visit din. Breakfast talaga. Sa Torde, June 7. Hi guys! Need to replace this now because it's dry. We need to pick some flower outside. And replace over here. Need to replace this. It was totally dying. That's so nice if you have flower outside then you pick it up and put right here. So you have fresh flower. If you buy fresh flower, guys, so expensive then. You need to add water. Water. Adding water. We need to wait our. Let's go outside, guys. Hi guys, we are not inside guys. Pick some flower outside guys, Zinnia flower. I think this is 3 times na. And put over here. Zinnia flower guys. Zinnia flower. Three times na guys, kaya for flower is outside is later. Now still locked guys. We got the flower over here. Very nice if you have flower outside, you can get flower and put over here. You can get flower outside and put over here. What? It's so beautiful. Very nice guys. Yung cooking banana bread guys. We use 3 pieces of banana because this banana is big. We use salt, vanilla, butter, raisin, all-purpose flour, and sugar. Use 3 banana because the banana is big. If the banana is small, you use only 3. Smash the banana big. You need to smash the banana. If you want the full recipe guys, check out our second channel, Bib's Recipe. Not of cooking today guys. We cook to the star bread and banana bread today. I have visitor tomorrow. Our visitor coming tomorrow. Smash this guy and mix everything. Then mixing everything then. this one. Hook na ba? 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Waiting there. Need to ready this guy. Wow! Liki na guy. Liki. So, liki kaya guy. Butter. Wow. Liki na kaya ba yung ano ba? We had some sugar on the top. Yeah, it's done guys. Done na siya guys. So now we need to cook this starbread. Starbread. Ganun yung starbread. Malaki yung hiwa ko eh. Cooking pandesal guys. Gupahas pandesal guys. Cooking pandesal guys. request to my niece, guys. My niece is arrived soon in about 1 hour. Rin to cook na this, guys. This only 18 minutes. It's done. Magluto ng rice. Rice is life. Kung magsabaw ka ba hanggang dito? Dito po. Pandesal is done, guys. Cooking chicken deli. Visitor coming soon in 15 minutes. Hi guys! Unboxing tayo ngayon, guys. Unboxing. My niece is here, guys, and brings lot of stuff from Asian store. Yeah. My niece is here. My beautiful niece. Oh, hi daw. Nagtatago eh. Takot sa camera, nagtago. Ayan, look at this, guys. Lot. Oh. Kasaba kamuti kahoy, guys. And a glutinous rice. And this one, rice flour. We make, what is called that? Bibingkaya. And this one, tapioca. Sago. Yeah. And this one, malagkit. Sticky rice. And of course, pansit. Pansit. This one, Anton. And of course, kasi na-miss ko nga ito, guys. 5-5. Sardines. Oh, wow. May kanton pa, guys. Parang nasa Pinas na eh. Hi, guys! Si Andrea, kayo mo hi, kayo mo na siya. Sopa eh. Tamarin. For sinigang. And roasted seaweed. Usually. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Never pa ako naka-ano eh. Let's try. Pero busog kasi. And of course, saba. Banana saba. Sa Asian store ka lang makabili nito, guys. Kasi wala ko sa ibang mga. And of course, this one. Yan. And of course, this pizza, ay buksoy, this is so very nice. Kasi small siya, yung pizza sa ano, sumod. Ano yung sumod sa English? I don't know in English guys ang sungod. Kasi sobrang laki man siya guys. Ito is like in the Philippine boksoy. And of course, spinach. Look at the spinach. Look at spinach. Yeah. Alugbati di ay guys, alugbati. Is the alugbati. Dughan na alugbati guys. Dughan ko yung alugbati. Ang talong pag yun. Ayun. Ang talong. Yan guys, ito yung talong guys, masarap kasi nga hindi siya tulad sa Walmart na talong guys na ano. Yung mataba ba? Mataba. Ito hindi. Ayun, ito is ano tawag nito? Opo, lupa yata eh. Gourd. Gourd. Oh, wow. Naku guys. Galing pa to sa Georgia. 6 hours travel kaya nilagay dito sa cooler. Banana leaves. Kasi nag-request ako ng banana leaves kasi magluluto ako ng ano, we cook a bibingka. And that's it. Mayroon pa? Hala. Nasa cooler. Ayun. Ito guys, ang request ko na ko guys. Ito para sa sinigang pepper. I think that's it. And that's it. I show you guys. Like everything guys. That's a lot. Over here. Nasa cooler ang aking mga vegetable. Unboxing tayo dito guys kasi nga ano, mayroong dry fish dito. Baka magalit si Kordak din. Ito i-freezer ko. Thank you Madam Linlen, Madam Alona. I have lot of stuff guys. Oh my goodness. Lemongrass. Freezer na eh. Kani. Ayun. Bitter gold. And eggplant there. Long eggplant. Ay, okay. Ay. Sitaw pala guys. Sitaw. Oo. Oh wow, ito guys. Tanim. Sweet potato guys.
Sweet potato cup.
Top. Bisag ano mo nangami mo?
Gabi na ko lang. Mo bito
ano?
Munggo. Picture kaniya. Munggo, mungdin.
Ito guys, wow, makakain na dito guys. Look at guys. Makakaon na dito gulad guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Madam Alona and Madam Linlin. Pero kailangan ko itago to dito guys.
Ano yan? Galing yan ng Pinas.
Galing to ng Pinas. Galing ng ano, Pinas. Galing Pinas. Galing ano, Florida. Di man ni siguro mo bahog. Ano? Uy! Talon ka diha? Uy!
Malakas pa daw yung ano niya, tuhod.
Ha?
Kaya nga no.
Okay lang naman ni Dere sa ret. Eh ako man ni Dere pa ng pagkahon. Wala man siya Dere. Yaha. Puti. Dami na kong magagulay-gulay. Naku po. Sige na kong kaunan. Ayan, tanglad guys, tanglad.
Yeah, lemongrass.
Lemongrass. O dito lang to.
Hello.
Oh,
Tinuod na.
magdala ka na madan. Dadaan na. Kay dadaan na. May sipil oh. Tulo ka buo. Ay, daghan.
Sipil lang.
Hmm.
Sipil lang.
O sige.
Yeah, tapos okay lang na before
Oo.
biya.
Tanawa akong dragon fruit. Kay 14 na lang gamaya. Ay nako. Tuwa na.